This is the Shark light switch. So when you get it, it's going to come in two different parts. This is going to be the head. This is the light switch cover. You're going to go ahead and install this over your light switch. It has the two screw holes, so you're going to screw it in. The orientation is going to be just like this. The way to know if it's set up properly is you're going to see this big circular outline goes at the top, and then the bottom is going to have this little dip. So install it this way, not this way. The little dip right here should not be pointing up, always down. Next, after you have this screwed in, you're going to take your shark head and you're going to notice that on the back it has some holes that are going to fit with this piece. Now the way it works is it goes in, so it just kind of puts right there and it kind of just slides in. Once you have it on there, it's actually not locked in. So it's kind of just like dangling in there. Now you could leave it like this if you want, but it is pretty loose and you could like knock it off. So what you want to do is you need to actually lock it in by pushing it down once you have it put in with the holes. So you're going to see that it gets a little bit smaller, the grooves, and that's what locks it in. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to have it installed. And then once it's in there, it's going to take a lot of force. You got to push down really, really hard with some force, and you're going to hear a snap, and then it is going to be locked and secured in place. Then if you ever need to go ahead and remove this, you're going to have to remember you need to push up with a lot of force again in order to unlock that little locking mechanism.